Christmas. I was closing down for business in my living.
Hello everyone, welcome here. Today I'm showing you 3 different Christmas tiered trays. One is a Rae Dunn inspired tray, another is a hot cocoa one, and the last one is a Dollar Tree tray. Please keep watching for some tiered tray decor inspiration. So for the first tray, I'm using this galvanized tiered tray from Hobby Lobby. I thought it would be cute to make a full tray with Rae Dunn items.
And maybe so did you.
I picked up this Mary sign from Hobby Lobby, as well as this truck.
Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be.
Just the other day, I found this Believe sign that matches my Mary sign, and I was so excited about it because they didn't have it on my first trip.
We forgot what you came for.
I finished by adding this garland from Hobby Lobby.
And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
Next, I used my Marshall's tier tray to put a hot cocoa tray together. This canister and jars are from Hobby Lobby from a couple years ago. And the signs I'll be adding to the top here are also from Hobby Lobby.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas.
I picked this towel up from Walmart last year.
Oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people.
This Fa La La latte cup is from Walmart a couple years ago.
Start over new, 'cause I missed you so.
The signs are again from Hobby Lobby. This tray is definitely busier, but I love having busy tier trays. This one was probably my favorite.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da.
Next, I decided to make a Dollar Tree tier tray using all Dollar Tree items.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
I have a DIY video how I made this sign here. I later made another one and you will see how I use it for the bottom on this tray.
In the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
I painted this little house white, and I just love all the architecture on the little Dollar Tree houses they have.
Comes up, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I absolutely love their little bottle brush trees. They are such a good deal.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.
Then, to finish up, I added a couple reindeer ornaments to the tray. I love how simple and rustic this turned out.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close.
So that wraps up my 3 tiered trays. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and got some ideas for your own tiered trays. Let me know in the comments below which tray was your favorite, the Rae Dunn, the hot cocoa, or the Dollar Tree tray. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow